Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. In this video, you will learn how to use the renderingBegin, reportCanceled, toolbarRendering, renderingComplete, and reportExport events in a Blazor WebAssembly application to manage report interactions. Events are actions raised by the bold reports report viewer at key moments like when rendering starts or when an export is triggered. By handling these events, you can run custom logic such as showing a loading indicator or validating export permissions. For this demo, I already have a Blazor WebAssembly application with the bold reports report viewer in it. The sales order detail report is loaded in the viewer. I have included a link in the description that will help you set up the application to this point. First, I will initialize the renderingBegin event. This event is triggered before report rendering starts. I open the bold reports interop.js file and go to the render viewer function. Here I add the renderingBegin event and map it to a handler method. I implement the onRenderingBegin handler method in the file. For this demo, I'm displaying an alert message when rendering begins. I run the application. As soon as the viewer starts rendering the report, the event triggers and the alert dialog appears. After clicking OK, the report continues rendering. Next, let's look at the reportCanceled event. This event is triggered when report processing is canceled, such as when a user cancels report loading or cancels an export operation. In the render viewer function, I initialize the reportCanceled event and map it to an onReportCanceled handler. Then I define the onReportCanceled method and show a simple alert message. I run the application. The report processing starts again, and I click Cancel in the viewer. The event triggers and the alert message is displayed. Now I will initialize the toolbarRendering event. This event is triggered when the toolbar is being created. This event is helpful when you want to customize the toolbar, for example, hiding export options for specific roles or disabling the printing option. In the render viewer function, I add the toolbarRendering event and map it to an onToolbarRendering handler. I define the onToolbarRendering method with a simple alert message. Now I run the application to trigger the event. When the toolbar starts rendering, the event fires and the alert is shown. After clicking OK, the toolbar completes rendering. Next, I will initialize the renderingComplete event. This event is triggered after the report rendering is finished. This is useful when you want to run logic after the report is fully rendered, like enabling page actions, showing a report is ready message, or logging the load time. In the render viewer function, I map the renderingComplete event to an onRenderingComplete handler. I define the onRenderingComplete method and display an alert message. I run the application. The report rendering finishes, the event triggers, and the alert appears. Finally, I will initialize the reportExport event. This event is triggered when the user initiates an export from the viewer. You can use this to track exports, validate permissions, log export formats, or block exporting for restricted reports. In the render viewer function, I map the reportExport event to an onReportExport handler. I define the onReportExport method and display an alert message. I run the application. Once the report loads, I click Export and choose PDF. At that moment, the event triggers and the alert message appears. In this video, I have shown you how to implement the renderingBegin, reportCanceled, toolbarRendering, renderingComplete, and reportExport events in a Blazor WebAssembly application using a JavaScript file. To learn more about bold reports, you can visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a bold reports subscription, you can try out the platform with a free trial. If you prefer a demo from an expert, selecting Request Demo allows you to schedule one. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like it. Thanks for watching.